goes back to Mexico, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I actually rode Twisted Timbers last summer,
Nice.
but this barrel roll hits really good. It just rips right through it. I think Timbers is a little too slow
I haven't
through
gotten
it.
to Kings of the Green yet, but we get there free.
Thank you.
Of course.
It's just going so fast, you can't process anything. Around the front now. I'm Storm Freezer. So my friend actually told me a trick. If you actually look up front, you'll see the city of Louisville. Wow. Okay, so the front was good, but the back is where it's at. Wow. I mean, this is easily one of the best roller coasters I've ever been in, period. It probably tops, I mean, I wouldn't say it's close. I gotta think about it, but that's really close. That might be better than Steel Vengeance. And that's saying something.